Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Couponing with Melissa Love, and happy Monday, guys. You're actually going to see this video on Tuesday, woo, early in the morning, guys. So yeah, there are so many awesome deals going on at Walgreens. There's deals on laundry products, diapers. We have awesome spend boosters as well. There's a lot of awesomeness going on. Super happy, super excited. So yeah, let's head into the store and grab these deals. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am going to be leaving the printable breakdown for you guys down below in the description box, so you could definitely take it out and take it with you for an easy couponing trip. So super happy. Let's head into the store. Woo! So our first deal is on the Dawn dish soap. This week they're on promotion for $1.24, and when you buy two, you're going to get back a $1 register reward. So go ahead and pick up two for $2.48. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost, but you're going to get back a $1 register reward, making your final cost just 74 cents each. Another option is on the Gain Squeeze. These are priced at $1.99, and when you buy two, you're going to get back a $1 register reward. So you're going to go ahead and pick up two for $3.98. You could definitely use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. You'll get back that $1 register reward, making your final cost just $1.50 each. So keep in mind that the Dawn dish soap and the Gain dish squeeze, they're part of the same promotion. So you want to make sure you're splitting up the transactions in order to get two register rewards back. If you do them together, you will only get one register reward. Down below in the description box, I have a Walgreens cheat sheet. There you guys will have access on how to use your Walgreens cash and how and when you can use your register rewards. So take a second and go ahead and look at that. Another option for the promotion is on the Febreze products. They're also on promotion. Buy two, get a $1 register reward, and they have the small spaces and the 1-count car Febreze priced at $3.29, sorry. But they're completely out of stock. They're wiped out, which is such a huge bummer. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to pick up two for $6.58. We have a $2.30 digital coupon for the small space and a $2.30 digital coupon for the car vent. You would pay $1.98. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash and register rewards to pay. Just make sure it's not the same one from the previous deal, okay? You'll get back a $1 register reward, making your final cost just 98 cents for both. If you guys like Snuggle products, this week they're on promotion for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get back a $2 register reward. So you could choose the fabric softener if you guys like that. You could also go ahead and pick up the dryer sheets if you like them too. They're also priced at $3.99, and they also have available the Snuggle beads. So for two of these products, it is a total of $7.98. On our Walgreens app, we have a $1 digital coupon. You would pay $6.98 at the register, but get back a $2 register reward, making your final cost just $1.99 each. I know it's not the best deal, but some people, they're very specific and they like they like certain products. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and mention it just in case you guys want it and need it. And yes, you could definitely use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. So if you guys like Arm & Hammer products, this week they're on promotion for $1.99. You could choose the liquid, the beads, or the pods. So definitely pick and choose the ones that you guys like. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower the out-of-pocket cost. Another great option on laundry care is on the Spend 4, get back a $5 register reward, and they're priced at $5.49. You can also choose Gain, you could choose Tide, or any products that you guys like that are part of the promotion. So always make sure you're double checking your Walgreens app to ensure what coupons you have available, and keep in mind that you could also print out some coupons from the png.com website. So for these products, it is a total of $21.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Gain Liquid, a $1 digital coupon for the Gain Flings, a $1 digital coupon for the Bounce, and you could also go to the png.com website and print out a $1 printable coupon for the Gain Softener. You would pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost just $12.96 or $3.24 each. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash and register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Alright, if you guys have any spend booster like this one, a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, this will make your final cost just $7.96 or $1.99 each. If you're using that spend booster, do not use Walgreens cash because you will not get the Walgreens cash back. Another great deal is on Tresemme. They're on promotion 2 for $12. And we also have this $4 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $8 at the register, but get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost just $3 for both or $1.50 each. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. A deal that I am super excited to do is on the Pampers products, Easy Ups, and the diapers, the Pampers diapers are also part of the promotion. So this promotion is buy 2 for $21, and when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with the Easy Ups. So I'm going to use this $3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $18 at the register. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. But you're going to get back a $4 register reward, making your final cost just $11 for both. Another great deal is on the Oral-B and Burt's Bees products. They're on promotion, buy 3, get a $5 register reward. And these Vivid toothbrushes, they're priced at $3. Double check your Walgreens app for any digital coupons. I currently do not have one. I'm also going to go ahead and pick up these Burt's Bees. These are priced at $3.50 each, and they're also part of the promotion. So for 3 of these products, it is a total of $10. You're going to use this $5 off a 2 digital coupon for the Burt's Bees. You would pay $5 at the register, but get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost completely free. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower that out-of-pocket cost. Alright, another deal I'm going to be picking up today is on the Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion. These are priced at $6.79. I'm going to be using this kind of like a filler item for a spend booster scenario. There also is a $1 digital coupon available on our Walgreens app. That's going to make your final cost just $5.79. But since we're using that spend booster, I'm going to mention it in a few minutes, it's going to come out way cheaper. Alright guys, so this is going to be the first transaction that I'm going to do. So I'm going to be using the spend 25, get $7 in Walgreens cash booster, and I'm also going to use this spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash booster. These 2 boosters are going to stack. For all of these products, it is a total of $37.79. Like I've mentioned before, we have the $3 digital for the Pampers, the $5 digital for the Burt's Bees, and a $1 digital coupon for the Johnson. You would pay $28.79 at the register. You're going to get back $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, a $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20, a $4 register reward for the Pampers, and a $5 register reward for the Burt's Bees. That's going to make your final cost just $7.79 for all of these items, or $1.30 each. Alright guys, we are back at home, and these are all the items that I picked up today. I did the Dawn in a separate transaction, and I did get my $1 register reward for that. Alright, so my second transaction was on the Pampers Easy Ups, and the Burt's Bees, and the Johnson, and the Oral-B. For all of those products, that was a total of $37.39. So let's go on and show you guys the receipts. Okay, so this is the receipt. Like I mentioned before, this is $37.79 worth in products. So $21 for the Pampers, $3 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. The Burt's Bees, it was $7 for both, and the Johnson's lotion was $6.79. So I had these digital coupons, the $5 Burt's Bees, the $3 Pampers, $1 digital for the Johnsons. So I paid out of pocket with taxes $29.48, and I rolled in $5 in Walgreens cash. So I actually paid $24.48 out of pocket for this transaction. Since my amount was over the spend requirement, you are safe to use at least $10 in Walgreens cash, okay guys? So yeah, since you were over the spend amount, you can use about $10 in Walgreens cash, but I only had $8 in Walgreens cash, so they only let you do it in increments. So I got back $12.32 in Walgreens cash, $7 for the booster for spending $25, and $5 for spending $20. So guys, I did not get the register rewards back. The Catalina machine was not printing any register rewards, which is super, super annoying. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. Be nice. Ask the cashier what you could do. If not, speak to the manager. You know. But yeah. So let me show you guys. The manager actually gave me back $10 in Walgreens cash, okay? Because the register rewards didn't print. So, alright guys, so my final cost after all of these rewards was $2.16. So if I paid $24.48, I got back $12.32 in the boosters. I got back the $10 in Walgreens cash for the register rewards that didn't print. So that made my final cash my final cost after rewards just $2.16 for the diapers, the Burt's Bees, this, and the lotion, which is not a bad deal. Super happy how that played out. And yeah, I'm going to be leaving down below the printable breakdown, and I'm also going to be leaving the Walgreens cheat sheet for you guys, so you could just keep it with you as of reference as well. And let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions and if you guys need anything else, and let me know as well what are your favorite deals. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!